Hey guys, wanted to explain to you really quick the conditioning test that we're going to be doing this year. It's going to be a different conditioning test than we've done in the past. So wanted to detail really quick for you what that looks like and how we're going to be training for it throughout this summer. The test itself is a series of 5-second sprints. So as far as you can get in 5 seconds with one change of direction. So for our skills and our mids, they're going to run 20 yards and back as far as they can in 5 seconds. So let's say I blow the whistle, we start running, I get to the 20-yard line, I touch the line with my hand, I come back and I get to the, say this is the 15, that would mean that I ran 25 yards in 5 seconds, okay? Well, one group is sprinting, another group is going to be standing right around the 10-yard line and they're going to be recording and you're going to have a partner. So when you run, let's say, like for the example that we gave, you ran 20 yards and then 5 yards before the second whistle blew, telling us that the 5 seconds was over. You ran 25 yards, your partner would record that, and then you would walk back to the line and you'd have 25 seconds from the end of the first whistle blowing before you start the new rep. So 5-second run, 25-second rest, including you walking back to the start line, and then we have another rep. The test itself is going to be 12 reps. So 12 reps of 5-second run, 25-second rest. But throughout the summer, we're going to be breaking that into smaller chunks like we have in the past and training for it that way. Okay? When you change direction, you're going to want to change direction with a different foot and a different hand each rep. So maybe on the first rep, I go and I touch with my left foot and my left hand. Okay, or really just my left hand. We just want your left hand to touch the line. And then the next rep, maybe I touch it with my right hand. Okay, so you're going to switch sides each rep. So just to detail it again, for training purposes, you are going to, on the blow of a whistle or go, however you want to do it, you're going to run, touch the 20-yard line, and run back towards the goal line as far as you can in 5 seconds. So it's going to be helpful to have a partner with you, someone to say go, and then someone to say stop, meaning that the time is done and now you can coast back to the goal line and wait as your 25 seconds rolls off. As soon as 25 seconds is over, your partner will say go again and you'll start running the 20 and back. So that's going to be the conditioning test for this upcoming season. If you've got any questions, let me know. One thing I forgot to mention, there is going to be a pass-fail and a standard for that. So for example, maybe we haven't completely decided yet exactly what the yardage standard is going to be. We're going to get through the first couple workouts and see kind of where guys are at to determine what the standards are going to be. But for example, maybe we'll say that for a skill, 360 yards is the standard, which would mean they need to average 30 yards per run. They need to run 20 yards and run back to the 10 each rep for 12 reps in order to pass the test. That could be an example. We're going to see kind of how the training goes in the next couple weeks and with the yardages that we're seeing from different guys to be able to conclude exactly what the standard is going to be. We'll communicate that with you. The last thing, I forgot to mention this as well, for the bigs, if you're a big, so skills and mids are going to run to the 20 and back. Bigs are going to run to the 15 and back. So a little bit shorter on that first acceleration for you guys than for everybody else. Got any questions, let me know. Thanks.